to find the shortest distance between the vector equations. Now first of all, let's convert the equations in the standard form. Okay. Now, converting the equation in the form vector r is equal to vector a1 plus, now here they have given t, so we have t vector b1. Okay, we are in place of lambda we are taking t. Now it is vector r is equal to now I cap minus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap plus t with negative of I cap plus j cap negative of 2k cap. So now this is equation number 1. Now here vector a1 is equal to I cap minus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap and vector b2 is equal to minus I cap plus j cap minus 2 k cap. Converting second equation in the form vector r is equal to vector a2 plus, now in the second equation they have given s vector b2. Now vector a2 is equal to, sorry, first of all let me convert it, I am sorry. Now the equation becomes now vector r is equal to, now this becomes I cap, this equation I cap minus j cap minus k cap, I cap minus j cap minus k cap, yeah, plus s it is I cap plus 2 j cap minus 2 k cap. Okay. Now a2 is equal to I cap minus j cap minus k cap and vector b2 is equal to I cap plus 2 j cap minus 2 k cap. First thing. Now vector a2 minus vector a1 is equal to, now a2 minus a1, so we are having a2 minus a1, sorry this is a2, I am sorry, this is a2 and this is a1, so we are having 1 minus 1 with I cap plus minus 1 plus 2 with j cap and plus minus 1 minus 3 with k cap. So this is equal to 0 I cap plus j cap minus 4 k cap, a2 minus a1. One thing. Now vector b1 vector b2 and its cross product. So we are having I cap, j cap, k cap with now b1. I'm sorry, it is b1. Now b1 is minus 1, 1, minus 2, b2 1, 2, minus 2. Now on solving this one, we are having minus 2 plus 4 with I cap minus 2 plus 2 with j cap plus minus 2 minus 1 with k cap. Okay. Now this becomes 2 I cap minus 4 j cap minus 3 k cap. Vector b1 cross vector b2, its magnitude. Now this becomes 2 square plus minus 4 square plus minus 3 square. Now this is square root of 4 plus 16 plus 9. This is equal to square root of 29. Second thing, vector a2 minus vector a1 with dot product of and cross product of vector b1 vector b2. Now a2 minus a1 is this one, j 0 I cap plus j cap minus 4 k cap, dot product for 2 I cap minus 4 j cap minus 3 k cap. Now this is equal to negative of 4 plus 12 is equal to 8. Now shortest formula. Shortest distance is equal to a2 minus a1 cross product of b1 b2 upon magnitude of b1 cross b2. Now this is equal to 8 upon square root of 29. Shortest distance between two given lines is 8 upon square root of 29 units.